Oh, those afterburners are kicking in. It is time for HUMBL to take off. I told you I'll be back if we have some good news. We have some good news today. Brian Foote released tweets yesterday, the 30th of March, saying that the ETX will be released this Friday, the 2nd of April, which is Good Friday. Now you got to remember, come tomorrow, which is Thursday, the 1st of April, we enter into the second quarter. The second quarter is where we could have a lot of catalysts being released and information being sent out there to everyone. So coming soon to a theater near you, we already know the biggie right now is the ETX is going to be released this coming Friday. That in itself could be a huge game changer. You're talking about with artificial intelligence investing technology, where you're setting up these ETXs, the same thing as your ETFs, where it's actually being controlled and rebalanced by artificial intelligence 24/7. That there could be a game changer. It could be a winner for those people that invest, and I'm going to be one of them, that invest in the ETXs, and also for us as the shareholders, because once you sign up for these ETXs, you're going to pay $4.99 per month. And trust me, if this takes off, if people are making money there, this is going to grow like weeds. So I'm looking forward to that. Matter of fact, probably come Monday, I'll probably go through Coinbase and go ahead and, I will go through Coinbase and set up my account. So that's the biggie. But also coming in the second quarter, we have the NFT is going to be released sometime in the month of April. In addition to that, this week we also got, I also read an article in Forbes saying that the luxury fashion makers are dealing with Brian Foote on possibly using this NFT technology to authenticate their products. That there in itself could possibly be a huge game changer. So I'll link the article in the descriptions below. So we have that. We also know that sometime in the second quarter, that super mobile app is going to be released. And yes, this is the one that a lot of people are going to be waiting on, those financials. The very first financials that they're going to release is not going to tell us much, but it will give us an indication of where the revenue is coming from. The key is that second and that third financial report that's released. And the reason why is because now we can kind of gauge how they're doing quarter to quarter. What type of growth do we see when it comes to revenue? So what I want to do now is I want to just go to Brian Foote's tweet, and I want to take a look at the price action at the time of that tweet. So let's take a look.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel.
HUMBL's ETX
Thanks.
artificial intelligence trading bots are ready for takeoff. One thing that I like about those trading bots is that they're active 24/7, constantly rebalancing their exchanges. So I love that. I think that there in itself is a disruptor and a game changer. All right, let's take a look at Brian Foote's tweets. All right, here he says, the very first one here, we see that the blockchain ETX will be compatible with accounts in Coinbase Pro, Bittrex US, and Binance US. I have the instructions to set mine up on Coinbase, and what I'll do is I will link those instructions in the description. So just go ahead and go to the description if you're interested in that. But he also states that on Friday, traditional U.S. stock markets will be closed. The 24/7 digital asset markets will not be. Available in the U.S. from April 2nd across multiple exchanges.
And really, the exchanges he's talking about is just what he mentioned above: Coinbase, Beatrix, and the Binance USA exchanges there. Now let's take a look at the price action for not only HUMBL but also forwardly when this was announced on Tuesday, March 30th. Okay, here's the price action chart for the 30th of March. As we can see, what you're going to notice when it comes to HUMBL and forwardly, they're almost in lockstep with each other. And the reason why is because of the heavy stake that forwardly has invested in HUMBL, especially with those warrants. You see that both of them gapped down at the opening, stayed down pretty much until the announcement. And once the announcement hit, you see that spike in prices. It went above Monday's close on both of them. And that's how it traded for the remainder of the day. So forwardly is definitely a way to play HUMBL as well. I am definitely going to continue to increase my ownership, my positions in both of these companies. It's going to be hard to see here, but HUMBL closed at $3.46 on Tuesday, and forwardly closed at 57 cents.
I think it's going to be critical to take a look at the price action at the end of the second quarter when it comes to the price action of HUMBL as well as forwardly. Because like I said, those two are joined at the hip, and forwardly really is an indirect play on HUMBL. So with all that said, guys, thank you guys for stopping in, getting the updates, and I will see you guys on Sunday, if not sooner. Take care. Bye-bye.